Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with Wix. Start by signing up for a free Wix account. Then, select from over 800 professionally designed templates, ensuring it fits your website's goals. Next, personalize your site's look and feel by adjusting colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Don't forget to add crucial pages such as an About Us section and a contact form. This initial setup lays the groundwork for a stunning online presence. Now dive into the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can easily place text boxes, images, and other elements exactly where you want them. Incorporate high-quality media like photos and videos to make your site more dynamic. Remember to check your site's mobile view. Wix offers excellent tools to ensure it looks perfect on smaller screens, reaching over 50% of internet users. To boost your site's capabilities, explore the Wix app market. You'll find hundreds of applications for everything from online booking to e-commerce, allowing you to sell products or services directly. Integrate your social media feeds to keep visitors connected and engaged. Also, take advantage of Wix's built-in SEO tools to help your site rank higher in search results, attracting more visitors. Before going live, select a professional custom domain name that reflects your brand. Take a moment to meticulously review every page, ensuring all links work and content is error-free. Once you are completely satisfied, hit the Publish button. Share your new website across social media and email to announce your launch and start attracting your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.